Guys, some people car notes are as high as mortgages. You're not gonna believe this.
Customers around 21, 22 years old.
That's young.
So they put down $6,000. Customer just bought a 2023 Charger wide body jailbreak.
That's
This thing
nice.
runs 717
white
horsepower.
seats.
This one has the hammerhead seats. Guess how much they're paying for it? Customers around 21, 22 years old. So they put down $6,000 and their monthly payment right now is only $1,300 a month.
$1,300.
That's a pretty good deal right now.
Never fails.
Lila, how much do we pay for insurance on each car
What?
every month?
For the Mercedes 250, for the Ram TRX 500, and for
God.
the Urus 350.
Yes, sir.
This $347,000 Bentley Continental GTS will only cost you $6,500 a month.
Whoa,
What do you
whoa,
drive and what's
what?
your-
6,000. Hey, Slim, $6,000 a month for a car? Listen, even if I'm rich, I'm not paying no $6,000 a month for no car. That's outrageous.
Your car payment. I drive a 2023 Mazda CX-5, and my car payment is $865.
Yeah, them joints expensive.
I'm sorry, what?
He
I said
said, I'm sorry, what?
$865. For what? A Mazda CX-5. I'm gonna throw up. I wouldn't even pay that much for like a 3 Series.
Wow.
Hi, Rob. I have a question for you.
All right.
What do you drive, and what's your car payment?
2024 X6 and $1,500 a month.
Golly,
Not bad.
$1,500, Slim.
I don't think I'd spend that much, but okay.
I bet you wouldn't.
Wait, I have a question for you. What do you drive, and what's your car payment?
Porsche 911, 2,500.
Damn, he's rich. Richness over here.
Them car
Joey
dealerships
Jabroni.
Making money, Slim.
How you doing? Quick question for you. What do you drive, and what's your car payment?
X3 M40, $650 a month.
$650 a month. Not bad at all for an X3 M40.
Man, forget that.
Hey, Peter. What do you drive, and what is your car payment?
I drive an Audi and my car payment's $0.
Yeah, but you drive an Audi. I'd rather pay $1,000 a month than drive an Audi. Thank you, Frank. What's your car payment, and what do you drive?
I drive a 2023 BMW M340, and I pay $900 bi-weekly.
Whoa. This Bible said he paid bi-weekly. You notice something here, guys? These are actually car dealer, car salesmen, and their payments are just as high as the customers. So you know they don't care if you sign up for a super high car note because they paying the same thing. That's outrageous.
Weekly? Hello? Rich man. Hey, Patty with a fatty.
Hey, Zena.
What do you drive, and what's your payment?
I drive my 2000 BMW E46 and my payment is a whopping $0.
That car is as old as me. 24 years.
But they say
Is
ain't
it
got no
Bluetooth?
car note.
Hey, Matt.
See?
What do you drive, and what is your current car payment?
A 340 and I own it outright.
See, we do have people that own their cars outright and touch the title here, okay? So all of you guys that say we're not going to ever see a BMW title, you're wrong. Hi, Zeenie Weenie. Hey. I have a question for you.
At least they have a phone.
What kind of car do you drive, and what's your car payment? I drive a 2023 BMW X4 M40, and it's paid off by my dad.
Daddy money.
Surprise, surprise.
I ain't
Okay.
surprised.
Hey, Ryan.
So I bought this car for $270,000.
Yeah.
I put $70,000 down,
Lambo.
and that leaves me with $200,000 of financing costs, and I pay about $3,900 a month. How much I pay,
yeah.
which is $3,900 a month.
Now, that is a mortgage payment. Now, I'm assuming my man must have some money, but I just don't know, guys. If I would have to be making $5-10 million a year to pay a car note like that. And then if I'm making that kind of money, I would just pay cash for the car. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't understand how you could finance $200,000. That's crazy.
And that's the monthly payment. But then Insurance, since I'm 25 years old, I'm not really supposed to be driving supercars, so my insurance is really high, and I pay about $850 a month.
Car payments and insurance. I have two cars. I have a brand new Porsche 2022 Porsche Taycan and a Range Rover Sport 2022 as well. So two brand new cars. They're both foreign cars. They're both relatively expensive. So I pay about $2,700 a month for both of my cars, and insurance on that is $1,100 a month. So that brings us to $3,800 total for my cars and my insurance.
Now, I thought paying $1,000 a month was outrageous. These folks, man, they paying $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month for a car. Like I said, I would have to be super rich. I thought these videos would be pretty interesting, man, because now we can see what these rich people are paying a month for their cars. Even though I would think if you rich, you got millions, or even if you hundreds of thousands type of guy, you would just pay cash for your car. But, you know, a lot of times it's a tax write-off for their businesses. So there's a lot of different reasons why some people will finance that type of money. But the average person like myself and maybe some of you guys, that just seems outrageous to me. I just don't see, no way I can justify paying $6,000 a month for a car. But if you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to keep the videos rolling. I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.